guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys could see from the title, you know what we're talking about today. We're talking about getting paid from YouTube, starting a YouTube channel and all of that. So I have my book with some topics written down that I'm going to talk about, you know, just so I keep on track and know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, in order to get paid from YouTube, you need to have a YouTube channel, obviously. So you need to have a YouTube channel and you need to put out content. So you need to start uploading your videos, getting subscribers and all of that. After you start putting out your content and you find a niche, you find what you want to do on YouTube, like me, my niche is makeup, beauty and lifestyle. So after you found a niche, you start putting out your content, you start gaining the subscribers and if you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So basically watch hours is like how long someone spend watching your videos. You understand like how much minutes they spend watching your videos. So you're gonna need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So after you have, you know, you gain them achievement, because those are hard to get. Trust and believe, them hard to get. Your first 1,000 subscribers is probably the hardest thing to get on YouTube. Like, so congratulations if you have made it, because it took me a while to make it. But yeah, I gained them and then I got my 4,000 watch hours. So after being accepted in the YouTube partner program, they're going to not accepted. After you get your 4,000 watch hours, you get reviewed, and then to be able to get monetized, they're going to send you a pin to verify your address. Let me tell you the stress with this for me personally. This was so hard. Like, okay, I got accepted last year, but I did not know. I did not know. I had a video that went viral last year. I knew about the getting viral, but honestly I did not started YouTube to make money. I just started it because I love doing makeup. I'm a makeup artist. Everybody knows say I do makeup and people want to see what I do. So I'm just put out videos, put out makeup videos, 1 and 2 hair tutorial. I was monetized all along and I did not know. I honestly, as I said, I never started YouTube for make money. Never know nothing about making money from YouTube. So that video got monetized. They sent me the pin. They sent me a verification pin to my email that was linked to my my Google AdSense account, which I did not know they sent. They sent it from last year. Me not knowing they sent it. I think the post office had sent it back because, you know, after a while when they send a mail, they send it back to the sender. Because I did not receive it. I did not know this email. I was pregnant last year. I did not care. I was so miserable being pregnant. So I don't care about nothing. I did not check emails, none of that. So yeah, so they sent it last year. It got sent back because I didn't went for the mail, so I did not know anything about that. So this year now I went and because I wanted to be more into the YouTube thing, to be more consistent. I want to take this thing serious. I want to take it as a full-time job now. So I went and I looked and I logged into my Google AdSense account and I saw that I was actually making money.
What's my first name? Real. What's my last name? Rich. So what's all of my name? Real.
Which I did not know about. Unfortunately, it wasn't a lot as I would have wanted, but thank God I was making some more, because they sent me the pin and I haven't. After you got the pin, you have 4 months to put it in, and then after the 4 months I'd stop showing in your videos. So remember I said last year my pin gets sent, so all of that time they will never put in my pin, I'd stop showing on my videos. So I stopped. From all of that views from the viral video that I did not make any money, unfortunately, but I'm still grateful for the views. Okay, after the pin now situation, I found out about my Google AdSense that I'm making money, all of that. I requested a new pin, still haven't received that pin. I requested like 4 different new pins, still haven't received that pin. I don't know, I got a post office every day asking for the mail. People at post office tired of me. When them see me, them get vexed, but I never care come on my pin. I want to come on when I make from YouTube. But anyways, went on YouTube to see if there was a next alternative to receive the earnings that I made, because I was not getting a pin, and due to COVID everything got 10 times worse, and I don't know. So I went and I found that there's a way. If you guys want me to make a separate video explaining this specific way to verify your account without receiving a pin, I can. I did it. I uploaded an ID just to show them the proof that I am me, this is where I live, blah 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 blah, and within 2 seconds, literally 2 seconds, I got verified. Like, I waited nearly friggin' 6 months to get this pin and I still haven't received it, and it took me 2 seconds, like literally 2 seconds to be verified. Like,
Google, I could do something about that. Like,
why would you send a pin and they could? But anyways, when I get into that, that's not what the video is about. After you have verified your account and get accepted in the YouTube partner program, the ads will start showing you videos. This is where your subscribers like either watch the ads or click on the ads for you to get paid. So every ad that they see in the video, you get a percentage from the ad, I'm assuming. But yeah, so once you start making your money from it, you have to reach a threshold of $100 before they could actually pay you out. Because say for instance you make $20, they're not going to send you $20. They have to make $100 or more for them to send you the money. Understood? So yeah, so luckily I made over $100, and so I was able to get my payment from donkey years ago. So after reaching the threshold, and in order to get paid, you need to set up your bank account information with the Google AdSense. I think there's 2 options you could choose from, whether getting a wire transfer or a check. For me personally, I chose a wire transfer because I don't have time to wait on a check, because a check I go on hold, because I live in a whole different country. If it was America, I would have probably chose a check option, but living in the Caribbean, the check have to go on hold. I'm not a fan of that. I know that because I used to work in a bank. But yeah, I chose the bank wire transfer option, and that's how I got paid. So they pay you, and yeah, I think you have to wait like 2 days for it to process before you get access to the money. But after the 2 days, the money is yours, the funds is yours. So yeah, that's that. So after you get the payment, after the threshold, your balance go back to 0. So now you have to put out more content to make more money, for more ads coming in, so you get paid again for the next month. Watching other YouTubers videos about them first paycheck, they're saying they get paid on the 23rd or from the 22nd to the 25th of each month. But from the email that I received, I'm seeing that me personally get paid on the 12th. So I don't know, but I'm seeing that every 12th of the month I will be getting paid once it passed the $100. So yeah, so if you make $99 or 99 cents, you're not gonna get paid unless it's $100 or more. So now for the moment that you guys are all here for to know how much I made from YouTube, my first paycheck, I'll insert it up here just so you guys could see. Guys, if I'm leaving any information out, or if there's anything that you need to know, you could always comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. Because I'm just telling you guys things, information based on what I went through, my procedure of being monetized and getting paid and all of that. I ain't no expert, to be honest. I just telling you what I went through. So yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos, if you want more, because you guys know I like to inform you guys about everything. So if you guys need to know anything, that's coming down below. Yeah, so as I said, that's basically it for the video, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.